Good day, tech readers. Welcome to another video on our Facebook page. I hope you're finding these informative. Today we're dealing with one of my favorite subjects, peripherals for your computer. I think good quality peripherals are very underrated, and here's one of the best we've seen this year. Microsoft's one of my favorite brands for computer peripherals, and this one is the Arc Touch Bluetooth mouse. It turns on by changing its shape. You bend it and it turns on all by itself. The point of having a mouse that bends flat is that you can slide it into your bag without things sticking to it and getting damaged and the buttons getting pressed on and so on. Much more convenient, takes up much less space, simply slips into the pocket of the bag. Other things you need to know about this product: it has a sensor strip on the top in place of a mouse wheel, but interestingly they've applied some kind of tactile feedback to that, so you can actually get the rumbling sensation of a mouse wheel turning, and there's audio feedback as well, a clicking sound. So when you're using the mouse and you're stroking the button, you're actually getting the full sensation of a mouse wheel, so you have all the control that you need. There are no side buttons to get stuck in the bag and no top wheel to get stuck on things and broken off, so we really appreciate that kind of design. Other important features: it's Bluetooth, so it's not using up a port on your laptop where you would ordinarily have a dongle you'd have to plug in, which then communicates wirelessly with the mouse. This one has got Bluetooth built in, so it connects directly to the PC without using up a USB port. We think that's really important for laptops, for example. And the final thing is one of Microsoft's proprietary technologies. It's called BlueTrack. It's the way they build the sensor. The sensor is designed to work on almost any surface: reflective surfaces, glass, wood, just about anything. If you want to rub it on your jeans while you're sitting in the airport lounge, it works on almost any kind of surface. We've had a great experience with the Microsoft Arc Touch Bluetooth mouse. For this mouse, you're paying 1,300 Rand. For us, as a frequent traveler, totally worth it. Go ahead and get one of these.